Oh, easy.
Look at the penny.
You want to put a penny in your backpack?
Santa left some change.
Put a penny in your backpack. You want to grab a penny?
Okay.
Take a penny.
Take a penny.
There you go.
Take a quarter.
You're going to take a quarter.
No pennies, so it's only quarters.
Put it in your backpack. Or are you going to steal Uncle Dane's?
This is a heist.
That's my backpack.
Okay.
That's your backpack.
Okay.
Pull it back to Mommy.
Roll it over here.
There you go.
You're ready to go.
It has door on it.
It does have Dora on
It
it.
has the map on it.
That's right.
Oh.
I'm gonna go get some more.
Okay.
I'm gonna go get some more. I'm gonna go get some.
She needs money for her trip.
Are you going to go somewhere?
I'm gonna go into the Gabby.
You're going to go see Tutu and Grampy?
This is for them. That
Are you going to take your suitcase on the plane?
was okay. I can take it on a plane.